everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in OZK Loan Payment account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ozk.com/login. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of OZK Bank. You'll be able to find various accounts that you can log into. You'll be able to find the option for personal banking, business banking, credit cards, etc. Over here you'll be able to find the option for loan payments. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is click on this option, Login Loan Payment. Now you'll be led to another site. Simply click on this option, I understand and wish to continue. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to log into your loan payment account. All you have to do is enter the username and password over here. If you do not have the user account yet, you can click on this option, create an account, and you'll be able to create the account in order to pay your bill. If you already have the account, click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on this option, forgot username, and you'll be able to recover it. Likewise, if you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now, after you enter the username and password, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen, and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in OZK Loan Payment account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.